Hi there. Are you waiting for the bus?
Yes, I am. But I'm not sure if this is the right stop.
Oh, I see. Which bus are you trying to take?
Um, Bus number 24. It should go downtown.
Yes, you're in the right place. Bus 24 stops here.
Oh, that's a relief. Thank you.
You're welcome. Is this your first time taking the bus here?
Yes, it is. I just moved here last week.
Really? Welcome to the neighborhood.
Thank you. Everyone seems very friendly.
We try to be. Where are you going today?
I'm going to the city library. I have some studying to do.
That's a nice place. You'll need to get off at the third stop.
The third stop? Okay,
Yes, I'll point it out to you when we're close.
that would be great. I'm afraid I might miss it.
Don't worry, it happens to everyone.
By the way, how often does this bus come?
About every 15 minutes. It's pretty reliable.
That's good. In my old city, buses were always late.
I understand that very well.
Do I need exact change to pay?
Number. You can use a bus card or pay with your phone.
Oh, nice. That's very convenient.
Yes, it is. Technology makes things easier.
Oh, I think I see the bus coming.
Yes, that's it. Bus number 24.
Great. Thank you so much for your help.
You're very welcome. I'm glad I could help.
Maybe I'll see you around again.
I'm sure you will. Have a nice day.
You too. Thanks again.